Good morning. My name is Holly. I work at the Columbus Public Library in the Genealogy and Local History Department. This video is part of a series about Ancestry 101, and we'll be checking out different features in each video that we think you can use. First one today is we're going to look at the card catalog. So let's go to www.cblga.org. Click on Research It, and then go to Genealogy and Local History, and click on Genealogy Resources. On this page, scroll down just a little bit, and you'll see the link to Ancestry Library Edition, which is available outside the library as long as the libraries are closed. So please feel free to take advantage of it. If you get to a Galileo page that says enter a password, the word is Kneel, K-N-E-E-L, and we can update that as it changes. You'll get to this Ancestry homepage. Go under the tab that says Search, Card Catalog. The reason I like to go to the card catalog is if you are starting with Ancestry and you put in information like names, dates, locations, things like that, and hit search, Ancestry is only going to look at the top 10% of their databases, the most commonly used databases, to try and give you information that you can use. Since they have over 33,000 databases, they're not checking every database that they could. So it's up to you to dig down a little bit deeper, and here's where your card catalog comes in handy. You're going to save a lot of time by going to more specific areas first rather than a general huge worldwide search. In the card catalog, it is sorted by default by date added, and these little new icons means that Ancestry has either added to a database or they've created a new database. The other ways to sort them, you can sort them by title, record count, or date updated. Let's go by record count just to see what's out there. It's always fun to explore these databases. Public member trees is in the collection called Family Trees, and there are close to almost 1.9 billion records there. U.S. City Directories, which is a great place to find more information, is in the collection called Schools, Directories, and Church Histories. It has 1.56 billion records, and on and on. And it looks like they have just updated the newspapers.com obituary index in the birth, marriage, and death collection. Well, let's say we want to find something in Georgia. Here's where you can get more specific and save yourself a lot of time. Let's just type in Georgia and click search. And there are 75 databases there to take a look at. It's still sorted by record count. And let's take a look at, let's say, Georgia wills and probate records. Now, before you start entering name, location, dates of probate, or keywords, anything like that, what I want you to do before you do anything else is scroll down and take a look at the information. This will tell you what is in the database. So it says about Georgia wills and probate records 1742 to 1992. It tells you where the records came from, what is a probate record, why it's important, have different types of probate records, like wills, letters of administration, inventories, things like that. So read all this first before you go searching. Don't go looking for a will that is dated 1993, or don't go looking for a probate record that is dated 1741, because it doesn't fall within these dates and you'll just be spinning your wheels. Read what it says first before you go searching it. Now in this collection, we can browse by county. And let's just say we're looking for Muskogee right here. There are different types of records in here, so take a look at them before you start to search. This is how you can save a lot of time. Also, be sure and take a look at related data collections that Ancestry has suggested that you search also. So to save a lot of time and hassle, do a search and do your card catalog first. Thank you.
We are springing into summer learning at the Chattahoochee Valley Libraries, and the program you just attended is one of the ways you can earn completions. Just go to cvlga.org and look for Spring into Summer Learning. You can register yourself and your family online, and then start reading and attending our online events. That's all you have to do. We're giving away weekly gift certificates, and every completion you make enters you into a grand prize drawing for tablets, games, gifts, and more. Remember, you have to register to win. cvlga.org, and we'll see you online again real soon.